बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। थ्योरम 13.1.4। From a point outside a line, the perpendicular is the shortest distance from the point to the line. From a point outside a line, the perpendicular is its given, while the perpendicular is the shortest distance from a point to the line is its proof. In its given, a line AB and a point C which is not lying on the line AB, and a point D on line AB such that line segment CD is perpendicular to the line AB. Line segment CD is perpendicular to the line AB can also be written as in its proof. Line segment CD is the shortest distance from the point C to line AB. In construction, take a point E on line AB, join C and E to form a triangle CDE. Where CE is longer distance while CD is shorter distance, which we have to prove. An exterior angle is greater than non-adjacent anterior angle. In the triangle CD, angle CDB is exterior angle, while angle CED is non-adjacent interior angle, and angle ECD is also non-adjacent interior angle. Here we take is interior angle CED while CDB is exterior angle. So we can write in triangle CDE, measure angle CDB is greater than measure angle CED. By supplement of right angles, this exterior angle CDB is equal to angle CDE. Therefore, angle CDE is greater than angle CED. By applying another theorem, side opposite to greater angle is greater. So in triangle CDE, if angle CDE is greater than angle CED, then side CE is greater than side CD, means CD is the shortest distance from point C to the line AB, while point E is on the line AB. Summary of this proof can depend upon three steps, in which first step is a theorem an exterior angle is greater than non-adjacent interior angle, while second step is supplement of right angle, and third step is an other theorem side opposite to greater angle is greater. With the help of these three steps, we can prove the theorem. In triangle CDE, when measure angle CDB is greater than measure angle CED, then measure angle CD is equal to measure angle CDB. So we can write measure angle CDE is greater than measure angle CED, or measure angle CED is less than measure angle CDE. When measure angle CED is less than measure angle CDE, then side CD is less than side CE. But E is any point on the line AB, hence CD is the shorter distance from C to line AB. Thanks for watching this video.